Hi everyone, Hazel Secco here, the CEO and lead advisor at Align Financial Solutions. Today, I want to talk about something incredibly important, planning for taxes in your retirement. Many people don't think about taxes until they have to, which is usually when they pay them. But that's often too late. You want to take advantage of the right opportunities in advance so that you can pay less over time. Let's dive into why tax planning is so important for your retirement and your overall financial health. For those of you who aren't familiar with tax planning, it can vary depending on who you talk to. True tax planning, in my opinion, means planning in advance so that you pay less in taxes over your lifetime. This isn't just about maximizing your IRA contributions each year. It's about looking at your entire financial situation and understanding the tax implications so you can plan properly before they're due. If you're charitable minded or thinking about building generational wealth, you can make a bigger impact by planning ahead. Taking advantage of tax benefits can help you make a greater impact with the same dollar amount. It's like killing two birds with one stone. Tax planning isn't just about buying a tax efficient ETF or having your advisor do tax loss harvesting at the end of the year. It's about a full year review and a strategy that spans your lifetime. The truth is, there's no formal education on these topics, and many people don't know what they don't know. In our hectic world with AI, social media, and constant changes, it's easy to overlook tax planning, but understanding and planning for your taxes can make a significant difference in your financial future. I get it. Tax planning probably isn't at the top of your mind. Most people haven't thought much about it before, and that's totally understandable. But that's why I'm here to help you navigate this crucial aspect of your financial journey. Don't get me wrong, tax loss harvesting and buying tax efficient ETFs are effective strategies and might be all you need to do. But we all know the importance of being thorough, right? You don't want to wing your retirement. It's crucial to think ahead and plan properly. Let's take a look at this infographic showing historical tax rates in the US. As you can see, we're currently experiencing some of the lowest tax rates in decades. The top marginal tax rate has been as high as 94% in the 40s and was 70% as recently as the 70s. Today, the top rate is 37%, but it's set to revert to 39.6% at the end of 2025 when the Trump tax cuts expire. Understanding this historical context helps us see why tax planning is so urgent right now. Let's say you have $1 million in your IRA or 401k that looks like a big number, and you probably worked really hard for that money. But what if I told you that your $1 million could end up being 750,000 or even $500,000 in 10, 20 years without you even withdrawing a cent? And that's not even considering the impact of inflation on your buying power. Can that be true? Yes, absolutely. How? Well, right now, the Trump tax cuts are set to expire at the end of 2025, which means the highest tax bracket will go back up to 39.6% from 37%. Tax rates change, and right now they're among the lowest they've ever been. It's very likely that federal income tax rates might be higher by the time you retire in 10, 20 years. Now, think about this projection of future tax rates based on current fiscal policies and economic forecasts. Many experts believe that taxes will need to increase to address the national debt and other fiscal challenges. This means the money you've worked so hard to save in tax deferred accounts might face higher taxes just when you need it most. So, you're working hard to save every single dollar into your 401k and IRA, thinking you have $1 million. But until you take the money out, you don't know what it will actually be worth. Personally, that really scares me. I like to know down to the cent how much I have and how much my properties are worth. That's just my preference. If I don't have control over what I consider hard earned money set aside for my retirement and my family's future, I feel worried and anxious. So, how can you even plan for it if you don't know how much you'll pay? Well, with a solid plan, you can diversify your tax risks and government risks by considering different scenarios. If you plan properly, you can save substantially by taking the right steps before you retire. Some people I know have most of their assets in retirement accounts, thinking they'll just draw money from there and be fine. But what if the economy collapses or tax rates skyrocket? Are you really safe from that? I'm not trying to scare you into emptying your IRA or stopping contributions to your 401k. I'm just saying that's not always the best answer for everyone. It might not be the best thing to do for your situation. Tax planning might be one of the least risky and most predictable ways to grow your assets by not losing extra money to the IRS. Investments always carry risks, especially those aimed at growth, but tax planning can give you a more stable foundation for your financial future. It might be controversial to some, but I believe it's the most important part of financial planning and often the most overlooked. Retirement is incredibly important and not something you can just wing. It's your life. Just like you valued your career during your working years, how you withdraw and get income from your account matters a lot. Can make a big difference depending on how you do it. I'm here to bring up some important questions and ideas to get you thinking. There are many things to consider, and I'm here to help you figure out what's really important to you in retirement. Make sure you have full control over your financial future. Thinking of reaching retirement as climbing a mountain. With a plan, you can find an efficient way to get there, maybe even a shortcut. You might sweat less and get to rest along the way. Without a plan, you might end up exhausted on the wrong path or stuck on winding road. By the time you reach the top, you might have taken so much longer that you can't really enjoy the view. My goal is to help you find the best path to your retirement so you can enjoy the journey and the view when you get there. If this video resonated with you and you want to learn more about planning for a tax efficient retirement, feel free to reach out. Let's work together to make sure you have a solid plan in place so you can enjoy your retirement without worrying about unexpected tax burdens. You can visit my website at alignfinancialsolutions.com or give me a call to schedule a consultation. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so you will never miss an update. Your support helps us keep providing valuable content to help you achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay aligned and financially empowered.